right, people. Who provides prompt, courteous service and low rates?
Veterans Plumbing and Air Conditioning.
Who uses licensed mechanics?
Veterans Plumbing and Air Conditioning.
People, it's gonna be a long, hot summer out there. So, Smith, what's our mission?
To keep our customers cool and dry.
Smile when you say that. Not at me.
Veterans Plumbing and Air Conditioning is battling the heat
so that you can be at ease.